Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. Okay, if you look at a 15 minutes chart, what we have seen, there is so much of volatility we have seen in 15 minutes chart. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen that whenever a range is breaking, then see, look at this particular, this is the range, we have seen a sharp upside. This is the range, as soon as we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, so whenever a range is breaking out, we have seen that there is a sharp upside or downside we have seen. See, look at this particular range, this is the range, as soon as it break this particular range, an upside we have seen. This is the range, as soon as it break this particular zone, we have seen a downfall. Okay, and this downfall you can say around from 2.7 it came to 2.6. okay, this is a level of downfall we have seen mostly in all the zone when there is a zone breakout in 15 minutes chart. Okay, but if you go on a 2 hours chart, okay, it clearly indicates that there is some pattern is forming. Okay, look at this particular patterns, and what this pattern says, if you look at a 2 hours chart, what we have seen till the time it is not going above a level of $2.732, we will not see a further upside movement. Okay, first thing, note of it. Okay, and opposite U pattern is forming. Okay, if it goes below a level of 2.701, chances of going further down we can see. Okay, now the thing is that this is the zone, as soon as it break a zone of around $2.680, chances are very high it will fall further down, and a probability of going towards 2.632 is there, and then further down we can see. Okay, now if on the basis of 1 day chart, I'll show you where the probability that it can move on Monday. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go on Monday, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, understand there is a pattern forming after pandemic. What this pattern is saying, that whenever it is hitting its previous high, we have seen a fall has come, and this fall is quite good, 10, 20, even 50 to 100%. Okay, after making half around $9.9, it is continuously on the downside, and a gap is still pending at a level of 4.1 to a level of $4.35. This is the gap still pending. Okay, now it is moving in this zone, a zone of $3 and a $2 zone, and chances are very high. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, then a probability of going above a level of around $2.732 is there, and this $2.732 is already being tested here. Okay, so chances are very high it can go towards a level of $2.764. okay, and this 2.764 is already being tested. What I am saying, that once the price sustain above this level is already weak. Okay, and this level is also weak. Okay, so chances are high it can touch a level of around $2.796. okay, and if the price move above that particular level, it can go towards a level of $2.802, and once it sustain, then there will be a zone breakout, and chances of going above a level of $2.828 to a level of 2.9, and then it can touch a level of 3.053. okay, chances are very high once it sustain above 2.8, chances are high that it can touch a level of $3.053. with sustaining above $3.053, then a probability of touching $3.32 is there, and then further upside we can see. Okay, so you have to understand that once started sustaining above 2.8, then probability of going towards 3.05, and from there we can see $3.320. okay, and if that level goes further upside, then we can see it can move further high. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, if the price didn't sustain, it can move further low towards a level of $2.686, and if the price fall below that level, we can see it can touch a level of around $2.626. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can go towards a level of 2.503. okay, and now if the price fall below that particular zone, we can see it can fall further low, and a probability of going towards 2.353 is there, and if the price move below that level, we can see it can touch a level of around 2.197. okay, and this is the level, this is the zone. Okay, now if you look at this particular zone, a level of 2.197, what you can see that if it goes below that particular level 2.197, because this is the low of these particular zone, so it will cross a level of that particular zone, and chance of touching 2.05 is there, and that is already being a weak support. Okay, so then there will be a zone breakout and it will come in this zone. Okay, a zone of $1.952, and from there we can see it can fall further down towards a level of 1.832 and then further low. So you have to keep it in mind. As soon as it comes towards a level of 2.195, chances of going below a level of $2 is there, because all these supports in between them are already being tested here. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Now understand something, that you have to set your SL for a particular trade and set a limit for your particular day, week, month. Okay, so that your profit can be saved. Okay, and your capital can be saved. That is very important. You have to keep a note of it. You should not be losing more than 0.5 to 1% in a particular trade. Okay, and set a SL as per that. So if you are trading 5 times also in a day, your maximum loss will be 5%, and that will not affect your psychology, because the next day you can again build your confidence and you can trade. But if you lose 50-30% of your capital, then that is a big loss. Okay, so you have to understand that. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I give training also, workshop also. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the time. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.